This is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock number 6098. This ran from the 10th 2012 to 07 2021. It has a 4J11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4J11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.